I'm Ken Faust. I work for the Dougherty County Sheriff's Office. Overall health, I've been losing weight, trying to exercise, watch what I eat. Never had any health issues. I'd put our daughter to bed around 9:30 and I got into bed around 11 and all of a sudden like someone was stabbing me in the chin with an ice pick. I'm talking about just terrible pain in my jaw. Then I called 911 here in Terrell County. And they were communicating with Phoebe the whole time we were going to Phoebe about, my status. There was a group there at the emergency room doors waiting on me. I was shocked over 70 times. The people at Phoebe that took care of me, they could have gave up, and they didn't. They're touched by God. We are blessed to have a team like that at Phoebe. If you need life-saving cardiac care, you can count on Phoebe.